So up to this point, we have put one widget on the screen at a time, and it's always been in the upper left-hand corner of our app, and that is nowhere close to how an app is supposed to work. We need to be able to position our widgets on the screen, and we need to be able to have multiple widgets and control the flow and the layout. So that's what we're going to cover in this unit. We're going to dive back into the widget catalog, and there is a section called Layout. And there are a lot of layout widgets in here. Now, layout widgets do not appear on the screen by themselves. They simply help widgets that do achieve a layout of your desire. And like with the other widgets, there are a ton of widgets, and most of them do specific things that you may have to do in an app in certain circumstances. But then there are a core group of layout widgets that you are going to use constantly. And those are the ones that we're going to go over in this section. I know you may be antsy to dive in and build an app at this point. So we're going to cover some of the basic layout widgets in this unit. Then the next unit, we're going to actually build an application. And later we'll circle back around to the layouts and cover some of the more advanced scenarios. But we'll give you an opportunity in between to actually dig in and build an app. So in this unit, we're going to focus on the basic layout widgets and how to use them.